A business or startup gets many benefits when it obtains an MSME registration. The logo or brand name of the business receives legal protection when it is registered. So, how to obtain these registrations? Can MSME and trademark registration be obtained together? You will know the answer to this by the end of this video. Hi everyone, I am Ayashri from Clear, where we serve more than 400,000 growing businesses. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a video. By the way, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. We have a free gift for you. It's an annual compliance calendar for businesses that will help you stay 100% compliant without any of the stress. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form provided in the description box below. In today's video, let's look at MSME trademark registration for startups. Any micro, small and medium enterprise, that is MSME, that provides services or manufactures and sells goods to people are eligible for obtaining MSME or Udayam registration when its investment is less than Rs 50 crore and annual turnover is less than Rs 250 crore. The official government Udayam registration portal issues MSME registration for micro, small and medium businesses. The registration of MSME can be done under the following two categories in the portal: for new entrepreneurs who are not registered yet as MSME or those with EM2, and for those having registration as UAM, and for those already having registration as UAM to assisted filing. Though the MSME or Udayam registration is not compulsory, it is highly recommended that the startups apply as the government provides many benefits for registering, such as easy credit facilities through schemes like Credit Guarantee Trust Fund for micro and small enterprises and Credit Guarantee Scheme for subordinate debt. Taxation benefits like direct tax exemption in the initial years of business depending on business activity. Various loan schemes at a low interest rate with a moratorium period like the Mudra loan, SIDBI, Make in India loan for enterprises, MSME business loan for startups in 59 minutes, etc. And schemes for setting up and improving the businesses like credit-linked capital subsidy for technology upgradation, technology and quality upgradation support to MSMEs, marketing assistance scheme, etc. A trademark is the brand name, logo or symbol that helps consumers identify the products and services of your business. It helps to differentiate your products or services from your competitors. Thus, trademarks are an integral part of creating a brand identity or image for your company. MSME trademark registration is the process by which an MSME can legally secure their brand name, logo or symbol in India. Though the trademark registration is not compulsory, it is highly recommended as there are many benefits of obtaining an MSME trademark registration, which are: MSME trademark registration gives the owner of the MSME an exclusive right to use the brand name or logo and prevent others from using your registered trademark without your permission. It helps you protect your brand image from infringement and duplicity. The MSME trademark registration helps in establishing a unique identity of your business products or services. It helps your business grow its brand awareness, visibility and credibility. It helps to expand your business within and outside India. MSME trademark registration provides goodwill and credibility for the business. It makes it easier for your consumers to identify and differentiate your products and services. MSME trademark registration is an asset of the MSME and the owner can sell the trademark, franchise or permit it on a contract basis to any other party. Is the MSME trademark registration making sense? If it is, write clear in the comments below. Do let us know which topic you would like us to cover in our videos. You can obtain both MSME and trademark registration for your business together to clear in just 5 simple steps by clicking on the link displayed on the screen. Step 1. Click on the Buy Here button on our MSME Compliance Trademark Registration Service page. You will have to enter your email ID, name, country code and contact number. Select the No option if you do not have a GSTIN. You can obtain MSME trademark registration without having a GSTIN. Select the state, click on the Proceed to Payment button and buy our plan by making the payment. Step 2. Our experts will apply for MSME registration and you will obtain your MSME registration. Step 3. Share your brand name or logo with our experts. Step 4. Our experts will file your trademark registration application online. Step 5. You will receive your trademark registration application number from which you can track your trademark registration status. Plus, our experts will advise you on trademark classification and follow up till you receive your MSME registration and trademark application number. You can contact our experts at any time to clarify your doubts and your queries. The link to avail our MSME Compliance Trademark Registration Service is also provided in the description box below. If this video was helpful, please do like and ask your queries in the comments box below. Share this video with all your friends who may benefit from it and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more updates.